So binomial expansion. We need to expand the binomial. First of all, what do you understand by binomial?
2.
What to?
By is 2.
Bi means two, yes. So binomial is a polynomial having two terms, right? For example, 2x plus y, 5 minus 3x, 2x plus 100 x square, etc. Yes.
Yes.
Now quickly write this.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Now see this. Binomial expansion. First, look here, please. Let me take express. Don't write, okay? Let me talk about x plus y whole to the power 0. Can you tell me its expansion?
What do you mean?
What is x plus y whole to the power 0, Hala? Is it 1?
Oh, yeah, it's 1.
Yes. If I ask you what is x plus y raised to the power 1, it is just x plus y, right? If I ask you what is x plus y whole square, can you tell me its expansion? This is the identity basically, and you have done this before. Tell me.
That's 1.
Sorry,
Oh, you want to
I'm asking
expand
you
it?
it is y whole square. Yes, expanded form.
X squared plus y squared.
No. X square plus y square plus 2xy. Square means what? You have to multiply x plus y with itself. Yes? Yes, Hala? Now,
Yes.
how you know how to open the bracket, of course. X times x plus y.
Yes.
Now you open it, you get x square plus xy plus yx plus y square. Xy, yx, same thing, which is 2xy. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Okay. Now, when I'm asking you what is x plus y whole cube, so it means I'm asking you to x plus y whole cube, I'm asking you to multiply it 3 times. So can I write it like this? Can we write x plus y whole cube as product of x plus y whole square and x plus y? Yes.
Yes.
Do we know expansion of this? Yes, from this step,
Okay.
right? And then this x plus y is still pending. I'm writing it here. Any doubt till here? Ask me.
No.
Now you open this bracket and tell me in the simplified form what is x plus y whole cube. Try this, please.
Okay.
Done?
Uh, yes.
Tell
Wait.
me.
Okay, I did it. It's x to the power of 3 plus 3x to the power of 2y plus 3x y to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 3.
Very good. So now you observe the things.
Yes.
Now, Ala, if I ask you to tell me what is x plus y whole to the power 4. So you will have to open the bracket 4 times. X plus y, x plus y, x plus y, x plus y, right?
Yeah.
So every time it is going to be difficult. For example, if I directly ask you, what is x plus y whole to the power 40? 40. So are you going to multiply this 40 times? No, it's difficult. So what we are going to do is we are just going to observe the pattern so far, the expansions which we have written on board. Now, when I am talking about x plus y whole to the power 0, x plus y whole to the power 1, and so, that exponent or the power is known as the index. Okay, so here the index is when the index was 1, sorry, when the index was 0, I got 1. When the index was 1, index means x plus y whole to the power what number? 1. I got 2 terms, right?
Yeah.
When index is 2, how many terms we are getting?
One index is 2.
How many terms we are getting then?
3.
Yeah, 3. Yes, 3. So when index is 3, how many terms?
4.
When index is going to be 4, how many terms?
5.
5. Now look here. Ala, I hope you are not doing any other work.
No.
Concentrate here now. Observations. The first observation is number of terms. Don't write this, okay? Try to understand first. Number of terms number of terms is 1 more than the index. So if I ask you what is number of terms when it is expansion of x plus y whole to the power 40, 40. So how many terms are going to be there in that expansion?
40.
One more than that.
50.
50. One more than 40 is 50? Seriously?
Sorry. 41.
41. If I ask you number of terms in the expansion of x plus y whole to the power 75, what is the answer?
Um, 76.
70, 76. First observation. Done? Understood?
Yes.
Now, second observation. Let us start observing from index 2. This is the first term. You can see the first